Welcome back everyone to another Great Lakes treasure hunting episode, and today we are returning to Conneaut Township Park, our first visit for 2022. And I have to say guys, today is absolutely incredible. Picture perfect day and there's no one at the beach. I'm going to be testing out my brand new GoPro Hero 10 in this video, so I hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, let's walk to the edge of the fishing pier here at Conneaut Township Park. This is another popular location during the summertime, as a lot of local fishermen will come out here, get some local Lake Erie walleye and perch. Just absolutely picture perfect day. As you can see, there's a little park over here for the kids, as well as a map of the Conneaut Township Park. But overall, this place is just absolutely beautiful. There's also a food shack over here open in the summertime. Thank you for watching today's video and stay tuned for more adventures coming soon.